Good morning, good afternoon to all of my viewers them. Big up on yourself. Big up to all of my subscribers them. Thank you for subscribe. Thank you for like the video and comment and everything. Big up on yourself. And for all like people we just a pass through. Thanks for passing through. Thanks for stopping by. But today we come for all a reason about America and me going home, and as you know, this channel about me going home and getting myself ready to go home and sharing my journey with you guys. So today I come for a reason about a lot of people come America from Jamaica. Come America to make a better life for them and them family. And for some reason, them get caught up in the matrix or in the web of America. Yeah man. America is like a web. You come America, and if you're not strong-minded, you get carried away in the cheap clothes. You get carried away in the bills. You know what I say? You get carried away by going to work every day, have to pay your bills, have kids, and all of them something there. So a whole heap of them something there why a whole heap of people don't return back to Jamaica. It's a lot of reason why people don't return back to Jamaica. Because people come over here and then them take on this whole heap of expense and this bill, and them have to pay the bill. So them can't move gone away because most of the money where them at work have to pay the bill in America where them live. Now, you have whole heap of Jamaican. This go for most of Jamaica, not all Jamaican, but you have whole heap of Jamaican. When them friends or them family come overseas, them go on like them friend and them family owe them to take them and mind them. No, when somebody come a foreign, no money no there, nothing there put down for nobody when they come a foreign. Everybody will come a foreign, them have to work hard for what them have. So when you see somebody come a foreign and you see them a drive one car in America, don't make them telling them nothing. Them have to work hard. Some of them have to work 2 jobs. Some of them have to work night and day in order to save money to buy the car. And then now, enough of them, when them come a foreign, for some reason, enough of them get sent home back because, I'm telling you something, people at Jamaica and in the world. When people get deported to them country or to Jamaica, them not necessarily have to do something bad. Somebody can add a problem and time for them renew them green card, and the government no want to renew them green card, so them have to leave. You have people who overstay them visa, them have to leave. You have people who in a filing and the person who file for them catching a trouble, so them have to leave. And it's a whole heap of reason why you have to leave sometime when people have to leave and go back home. And I realize that the people in Jamaica, them bash the people them when them go back home. No, nobody don't tell them how America is. America is not easy. As much as I want to see it on TV and the glitz and the glamour, there's a dark shadow behind the glitz and the glamour. People have to work like horse to make a piece of money. You know how much people may know the America who don't have $1,000 in them bank account or $1,000 in them savings. A whole heap of people may know I work every day and don't have 1,000 US. Yeah. So for all like Jamaica and them things say, oh, you come America and you just, or you go overseas and automatically you just get rich. It don't work like that. It don't work like that. Because you have some woman come over here and have our 3 kids. So now them have to take care of them and them 3 kids. So them plan was to build house back home. But now them have them 3 kids. Them have to take care of them 3 kids and pay them bills. So I know much left out of the money where them work or where them get to pay bills back at Jamaica or build a house at Jamaica. So no family member come a foreign and end up throw a stone behind them. Enough time, and I like say they want to throw a stone behind them, you know, but some of them have no choice. You see what I say? And make a change in narrative. That's why my vlog, and I'm vlogging. I am vlogging to change the narrative. To make you know say, I know everybody can come to Jamaica paparazzi, pop down and all of them something there. You have people who come to Jamaica, with them good money and then good idea and then good experience. You see what I say? So for all the Jamaican them, when you start burn out the deported them, stop, because a whole heap of reason why people get deported in America. Enough people there in Jamaica, they will never understand the justice system in America. Because they are Jamaica, so you can't understand the justice system in America. And I care how nobody tell you, you will never understand it. You see what I say? I had a friend the other day who got deported 3 days after his green card got expired and him for refile back for his green card. He was out of status. He had his green card. This man had his green card. And the green card expire. And when him a file, him put in for file back, for get back a new green card. Within that time, ICE raid which part him there and pick him up and him get deported. Because when them pick him up, him the out of status. So people in Jamaica, people get deported for many reasons. So when the people them come home, welcome them home, man. Welcome them home. Not treat them so bad and I make them feel like they ain't nobody. You know much people they are in a foreign, yeah? When I have nothing, enough people tired of foreign and want to come back home. But through them not have nothing, them afraid to come back home, and we same Jamaican laugh off of them and tell them to then go a foreign, go waste time. That's why the Jamaican, that's why enough people don't want to go back home. Because enough people would have go back home all if them not have nothing. But them afraid to do that because the Jamaican, them when they are Jamaica, are going to say, well, oh, you go a foreign and you know, have nothing, you know, achieve nothing. Let me tell you something, man, people. Going to a foreign land, that's not your land. You are going to trade trials and tribulation. And everybody lucky if you make it and rise to the top like a cream. And everybody who left Jamaica lucky if you come a foreign, come buy house or build back house at Jamaica. Enough people are live from paycheck to paycheck. Enough people they are foreign from Jamaica who don't have no house of foreign, who don't have no house of Jamaica, who don't have no land of Jamaica, who don't have nothing. Enough of them tired. And then they love to come home back. But they don't want to come home back and want to see them Jamaican tear them down and beat them. So that's why me make my vlog channel for sure so yo and everybody can come back and paparazzi for a laugh off. And to all the climate around right now with Trump and deport people left and right. It's only right for me make this video for sure so well people can save them money, people can come back home and people can be successful back in them homeland. That's why I'm making this vlog. You see what I say? So that's why I'm making this vlog. But as me say, anybody who try to come America, keep trying, because America nice. And for the ones them who there who want to go home, but not in the position to go home, big up on yourself. And for them who there who in the position to go home and I want to go home, may Jesus go with you know. You see what I say? Because you realize America still American. You see what I say? All the American them mostly stay America. The Chinese them travel but them stay. Most of the countries them make money America and them go home and them build up them country. But the Jamaican diaspora, when we come a foreign, enough away. We fling stone behind we and we forget where we are come from and we say, oh, we done with Jamaica because Jamaica is this and Jamaica is that and all of them sitting there. And enough away, when we get deported, I see them down the way I figure. So not dash on the country. Not care how much green card me get and how much citizen me get. I am a product of my environment. I am a Jamaican. I will always be a Jamaican to the last breath in my body. I am a Jamaican and I'm very proud. Every morning I wake up, I am proud to be a Jamaican. You know, and I'm proud that my family gave me an opportunity to come to America and see what it's all about, see what the hype all about. And most time it's not what it cracked up to be. The people when we come to Jamaica, we are change 3-4 times a day. And you know, all them have to work, enough of them are income tax. Them have to wait upon every February to get income tax from the government and use the money they come to Jamaica and come floss for 1 week. Because them can't floss for more than 2 weeks because them have to come back a foreign. If you come back and them work or come back come pay back the bills them with them left. So now make the people them a foreign open up. I am tired of living in the matrix. I am tired of living and working 2 jobs. I'm barely seeing my way out. I am more concerned about my health and my peace. And I think in Jamaica I will have just that. Is what I'm saying? As I say, if the money come, I receive it in Jesus' name. Is what I'm saying? But I'm coming for my health. I'm coming to eat some good food. I'm coming to reunite with my community. I'm coming to invest in my country. You know what I'm saying? So big up all of the people who have a mindset say them a go home back, and big up all the one them who don't want to go home back. But if you don't want to go home back, make sure you fix on the credit, make sure you get one nice career, because if you're not going to leave America, you're not going to need one career. So you have to go back to school, get one nice career, get one nice house, and work on the ass off and pay for it. That's all I can tell you now. Peace.